When this deal was announced back in mid-January, whenever, immediately everyone said this is going to run into issues with a new administration that was clearly focused on antitrust issues.
Yeah, it's a huge deal. $70 billion, Microsoft's largest ever. If you're Sony, the seller of a competing console, if you're Nintendo, you've got to be looking this and shaking in your boots. This is Microsoft, the owner of the Xbox, the seller of the Xbox, buying one of the most popular gaming franchises, some of the most popular gaming franchises in the world. World of Warcraft, for example. And they're worried that, your competitors are worried that somehow the owner of the Xbox is going to make it either going to limit your access to those best-selling games that everybody wants on your console, or that they're somehow going to degrade the experience. The FTC is very worried about that. Lena Khan, the head who was appointed by Biden, is very worried about that. And we saw the lawsuit happening as we speak.
An anti-monopolist in her own words. But like you say, Tom, this is a huge deal, no bones about it. What does Microsoft do from here?
Well, they've already tried to remedy the situation. They've tried to say, look, here's some things that we will do. We're going to assure our competitors that they'll continue to have access to these popular titles. There's also some labor issues at stake here. They've kind of made promises that they won't oppose if employees try to unionize. That's another concern that the anti-competition regulators have out there. But clearly, those have not done it. They've not really been what the government is looking for. I would imagine now that we're in this place, you could see some more negotiating back and forth. But ultimately, if they can't reach some kind of a settlement, the deal gets blocked.